Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Let's start with a bullet game. But what I'm going to do today, it's not playing. Can you guess my name? Can you guess my trade? Anyway. Can you guess my trade? Feel me climbing up your knee. Still monkey. Ah, 85, that's annoying. Can you guess my name? Can you guess my trade? He had bishop h2, probably better. Still monkey. Rook e3 to play d3. Maybe. No? You know, in general I wouldn't take exchange instead of taking a piece, but my queen was hanging, that's one thing, and the other is this is completely winning. Let's not lose on time. GG Abdi. Okay, hey Karmar, how you doing, man? So, this is gonna be a very short stream because I have a class after this, so it's going to be 1 hour or so. And exhausted, yeah, I feel you, I understand. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to improve this extension I did to remove the resign button because it has some problems. So how can I do this? I think I'm going to keep open the developer tools in Chrome. Let's see if I can properly share the screen anyway. They broke all opening rules in Castle Caruana? Interesting. Okay, so I have here the developer tools, the console, and I think I can still play games. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Perfect. Perfect size. Perfect size, and I have no resign button. Now, one thing I noticed is after I do the first move, this good luck works. Okay, no, that wasn't it. Ooh, I need F3. Oh, F3. Yeah, I didn't realize this was 0 plus 3. I thought it was 3 plus 0, and I thought I had time. Okay, managed to save the position. Okay, so instead of removing the button, what I'm gonna do for the next version of the extension is to hide it. Makes more sense. Because some people complained about the claim victory button not to work, and yeah, I'm assuming deleting things from the DOM is not a good idea. Yeah, no, that was a stupid move. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna sneak in. Oh, there's a pawn here. Okay, high level chess here. Some high level chess. Okay, taking this pawn. Well, a bishop is a bishop as well. Found out that the extension is interfering with the claim victory. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm trying to fix now. Okay, this game is over. So I'm gonna try and fix that. Yeah. They already told me. And I already realized my implementation wasn't perfect. So let's go to the plugin called Joanna Fights. And the extension code. I don't know if this is good for you. Oh, someone is challenging me. 3 minutes rated. I cannot take that. I can take a couple of rapid games or so to test the extension. Yeah, so of course what I'm doing is remove from the DOM, which is not a good idea. But I think if I just hide with the jQuery hide function, it's easier. Let me see if this keeps working. For that I need... Yeah, not a lot of coding for the moment. For that I will need to go to extensions in Chrome, history extensions, where settings? Chrome settings, preferences. Ah, maybe here. And extensions, there you go. Okay, so first I'm going to remove the extension Joanna Fights. Here it is, remove. Report abuse? No. Okay, and I have activated the developer mode so I can load, unpack it. I can load from my local machine the new version. Workspace, Joanna Fights, select. There you go. And I'm not sure if I need to refresh glitches, probably I do. So let me refresh here. And okay, I might accept that challenge, 3 minutes challenge. So someone said, okay, I'm gonna accept it now. So La Poblerinos, you said also the take back button. Okay, then I will use that in this game. That it's in the DOM. Yeah. Yeah, here it is. But there's this button, it's the resign button, it has a display none CSS property, so it's still there. So we're not removing stuff from the DOM, so that's probably not going to interfere with anything in the VHS code. Now I need to finish this game. Well, while I play this game, I think I'm gonna pack the extension again and publish the new version. Just this small change, and then I have some more ideas to code. This small change. So I need to change the manifest. Say this is version 1.2. Let's say. What did I do? Undo? Yeah. Okay. And I'm gonna zip everything, well, remove the joannafights.zip and zip everything, extension, icon, jQuery, everything, and manifest into joannafights.zip. There you go. The status, and I'm gonna call this hide resign button instead of removing it. I publish it to my repository, and let me go back to Chrome. Let's see if I manage not to lose the game. Where is chess browser? Chess browser here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna play this game and then update in the Chrome store with the new version. That should fix the bug. Yes, broken. Exactly. Get those rating points first. Yeah. Good idea. No increment though. Okay, I'm gonna trade that. Knight f5 he had. We both missed it. Look at this. Have another challenge. Happy cucumbers. Casual. No, please, no. 30 seconds, impossible. Not while streaming, not while coding. Never resign, rawr, exactly. Yeah, why not? Is this too crazy? It is, right? Are you hacking lichess? No, I'm not. I'm just testing the extension. By the way, yeah, I can propose a takeback. So this is cancel the takeback. Okay. No, I have the resign button again. Oh, we have a bug here. Our opponent offers a draw. No draw. You can defeat me, no problem. Okay, we have to fix that. Interesting. Yeah, so as I expected, the code is very coupled. That explains the bug. So yeah, it's not very good that it's not very good that yeah, it's shown again in that case. That's a slight problem. I need to do something, I don't know what. Yeah, let's give up all of my pieces. Seems like a good strategy. Why didn't I take the rook? Yeah, let me resign. Now that I have resigned button. Okay. Yeah, thanks for the game, Aspirante Maestro. I'm not gonna take rated challenges, and I'm not gonna take like 30 seconds challenges. Happy Cucumber, because I'm focused on coding. So, sorry. Well played. Good game, Aspirante Maestro. Okay, yeah, 24 points. Never mind. So we have this problem that it gets shown again. Oh, that's gonna... Yeah, that's gonna take... That's gonna take a lot of coding, I assume. We need to go deeper into Lich's code. So Lich's front code is very coupled there. When you cancel... Shit. When you cancel a takeback, the resign button appears again. That's not good. How can we do this? Well, I mean, I want to hide the takeback button too. That's a good one, Broken. Yeah, that's a good one. Now I have another one. I have another solution. Is I'm gonna hide it. I'm gonna set a no, that's not a good solution. That's very yeah, I was thinking about hiding it each, put a timer and hide it no matter what. But the proper code is to intercept the takeback button, for example, do what the takeback button does, and then hide the resign button again. Maybe I could do that. Okay, let's try here in the console. The problem is, if I'm not playing a game, I don't have those buttons available in the DOM, which makes coding harder. Makes coding a little bit harder. So 5+3 Guillermo Vegas, I like that one. Gives me time to test stuff. So thanks for the game, La Poblerino. I'm not gonna focus a lot on the game. I just want to have these buttons available for me, like the takeback and the draw. Okay, so we have this button. But if I don't do prevent defaults, the event gets fired again, and I can add like an additional handler on jQuery. Can't I? I think I can. So this is takeback yes, and when I do this, there's this cancel button. Please don't accept my takeback. Ooh, cancel button here is a link. Ooh, this is a hard one. Will this take away resigning from everyone, or just you? Just me? Just the people who has the extension installed? Oh. So. No, I cannot do this. I will need the handler to be run later. Okay, I can do that, maybe. Whenever a button or a link is clicked on the page, I'm gonna set a timer, and like 200 milliseconds later, I'm gonna hide the button. Okay, that could be it. That could be it. Let me play some moves here.
series, pero nos hemos dado cuenta de que...
Muy bien. Okay. Playing and coding at the same time, respect. Well, I'm accepting a casual long challenge. No problem. No problem. Okay, let's go to the code and do what we said we were going to do. Okay, I need to add that key. So here, this is interesting. I'm gonna extract that to a function. Let's call it hide resign button, right? Function. And okay, so I'm gonna hide by default when the DOM gets loaded. I'm gonna hide, but then I'm gonna hide also when and this is gonna be interesting, when any button is clicked, any button in the page, any, take back, draw, any. I'm going to set a handler that's gonna if I remove it immediately, I think it's not going to work, but it's a good first try, because maybe I get too complicated with the timeout. So I'm gonna start with this. Just any button or any link, get clicked, hide the resign button. Okay, let's go back to the browser. Where's my browser? Here it is. Okay, NightG-E2 C6. And now I go to extensions, I remove this one, right? Yeah. Remove. And now I load. Unpacked. There you go. Exactly. Fights 1.2. Okay. Now, how can I try that here? I have the resign button here for some reason, because I uninstalled maybe. And now I'm going to refresh the game, even though I'm in the middle of the game. Do you want to reload? Yes. Yes, I want to reload. Okay, no resign button. Good. Let's make a move. And now I'm gonna see if take back and cancel. I think it's not going to work, but I have to try. And cancel. No, it's here again. Okay. So I'm gonna do it with a timer. Yeah, because my code, the one hiding it, probably did run faster than the other callback, the other handler, the one that cancels the takeback and puts the button again. So yeah, I didn't expect that to work. Make a CSS hide. Yeah, my EUCAT. That's what we're doing actually. A CSS hide. Because at first I directly removed the button from the DOM, and it caused some issues because take back, offer draw, and claim victory buttons are coupled in the code to this resign button for some reason that I mean, I don't want to go deep in the lichess code right now. If we can manage to do it without understanding the code, could be okay. That's a piece for me, Guillermo. Okay. So a timer. Set timeout. Set timeout, right? In JavaScript. Set timeout, JavaScript. And then its function, and then milliseconds, if I remember correctly. Windows set timeout. Probably in jQuery there's something for that as well. I'm rusty with this. Set timeout. Yeah, function and milliseconds. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Back to the game. This has increments, so let's get some seconds back. it's possible to change the buttons of resign. What I'm going to do is first this version to just remove it. Then we have some suggestions to improve that. Offering draw is one, but there was another suggestion that I liked a lot, is whenever you click the resign button, instead of resigning, gives 15 seconds to your opponent. I like that suggestion, and I think that suggestion would be neat. However, what I really want to do, is let the button be there, but when you click it, it doesn't resign, it does nothing. Maybe it shows a message like, "What are you doing?" And then in some place a counter of how many times did you try to resign. That's what I would like to do. Anyway, the giving time thing, yeah, probably I end up doing this little configuration you can do in Chrome extensions so that you can choose between the different behaviors, because I think we can do all of them. All right, I have 30 minutes left. So 1 minute left in the game. Hit the resign and a message shows up. Do you want to end your life? Yeah, something like that. Exactly. So I'm gonna do the set timeout. Let's see if it works. Timeout. This is the function. Let's say 200 milliseconds later, something like this. Gotta try that. And now let's go back to the game. Let's try not to lose it. Get ready. On the Sundays. Remove the extension. There's no extension. So now if I refresh, I should have the resign button. There it is. So the extension is not installed. Now install the extension. Load and packet. Select. Here it is. Take bishop. Okay. Not paying a lot of attention to the game, honestly. Could I have taken a piece and I didn't? Probably. 39 seconds. Okay, if I get enough time back, like up to 1 minute with the increments, I will install it or not. Maybe I don't need the time. Let's install it. Oh no, it's installed, so I just need to refresh. Yeah. Okay, let's refresh. Reload site. It's still Guillermo's turn, it seems. Okay, queen there. Let's make a move. And now, there's no resign button. I propose take back and cancel. There's a resign button and it does not disappear. No! Okay, it doesn't work. It was too much. It was too much. Huh. Okay, that was a blunder by me. Good point, Guillermo. Ooh, that was not good. You had a better move than that. I thought you are a super hacker. Yeah, I'm a little bit rusty with these technologies, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. No problem, guys. We're gonna do it. Okay, we just need to find a good solution. GG, Guillermo. Hmm. Okay, at least we don't have an error in the console, I think. No, we don't. So it didn't work because it just didn't work. Yeah, the other rook, La Poverino, exactly. The other rook was much better. I would probably have to take with my queen. Here, yeah. You do this, I think I have to take with my queen. Yeah. Yeah. Rook here, you are threatening checkmate, and since my pawns cannot be pushed and my king cannot run, the only way to stop the mate is sacrifice my queen. So rook here, queen takes, rook takes, and you're slightly better in that endgame.
The minstrel
Okay, how do we do this, guys? I mean, at least this new version does not crash, but the button appears again. That's the problem. And I don't really want to like remove it, like hide it every second. Timer doesn't work. I can do a global timer and it will work, but it's not a very good practice. Hmm. Not very ethical. On one hand, it's not very ethical, but no, I mean, you have something that is being run each second. For example, you're doing the browser consume CPU for no good reason. You should be intercepting events when they happen, not firing your code every second just to, you know. Yeah, no, well, that will not ping lichess, so it wouldn't be a problem. But it can have performance issues. I mean, it can create performance issues on the browser. Probably won't, because the code is very simple. It just hides one element. But yeah, if we after that decide to do additional features and the code gets more complex, doing that every second could create performance issues, and we don't want to go there. I mean, I can try just to see if it works, but okay, the alternative is to intercept the specific button, the cancel button. I know what happens. Okay, I know what happened. Yeah. Okay, I know what happened. So, the code we have, when the DOM is loaded, when the page is rendered, takes the resign button, hides it, okay, and takes any button in the page and any link in the page, and adds a handler that says whenever you're clicked, you're gonna hide the resign button. That's okay. The problem is the cancel button of the takeback is not there when we do that. Still not there. It's created when we hit the takeback button. So I will need to understand how the DOM works in that specific part. So I need to play another game. Let's take person 1 challenge, 10 minutes, just 960. Thank you for the challenge. It's perfect because I have like 20 minutes left. So okay, I'm gonna do one move and stream the gallery. And at the beginning, I think there's the abort and the offer draw, but probably not the takeback, right? The takeback is still not there. It is now. It was created also. Woo! This makes things harder. So, okay. So when black plays the first move, the takeback button is created. Then when we hit the takeback button, let me have a look. Yeah, when we hit it, in the DOM is created the control icons, control buttons, and the cancel button. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Funny coding here. Wow, it's totally replaced. The control icons are totally replaced. Maybe we can intercept that. Every time the control icons change, this box, anytime this box changes, no matter if it's takeback, offer draw or claim victory, we can look inside, see if there's a resign thing, and hide it. That idea might be interesting. Ooh, I need to think before moving. Isn't there an event you can catch if the DOM is changing? Yeah, I'm gonna try and find that. I want to see when this deep changes. I'm not sure if I can do that. I mean, I could do it again with a timer and look myself if it changes. Like, store the previous version and compare. Why are you competing with WCC again? I'm not competing, man. I'm just not following it yet. I think I cannot do that, but I'm gonna see. jQuery. Event element changes. The problem is, I think we can see when an input changes its value, stuff like that. To detect a DOM change, only works on input, text area, and set. Yeah. Detect changes to the HTML. Okay, let's see what the Stack Overflow tells. Content changed. Yeah. DOM subtree modified. If you don't want to use a timer and check inner HTML, which is what I don't want to do, then we can use the DOM subtree modified. Yeah, this looks promising. In your versions, bind is deprecated. Yeah. I'm gonna use the on, not the body, but yeah. This looks promising. E5. It's castle. Okay. Okay, hiding it in the first place doesn't hurt anyone. How was the div called? Controls icons? Control icons, but maybe it's not the only control icons in the page. So let's ensure it is leeches. Okay, leeches ground, leeches board, leeches ground. Leeches ground, which is the right part. Table wrap, clock table, table inner, control icons. Yeah, I think it's the only control icons there. There's a control buttons, which is below, and it's empty. And then the username. Okay, control icons then. Yeah, control icons seems okay. Control dot icons. Okay. What is this, my deep? Entering on that classical tournament here. Which classical tournament? Smarter joke. Sorry, I didn't pay attention to you. Ah! Okay. Which stream? This stream is dying? Well, I think I can do this. I think if I'm correct, well, what it's trying to do is this. But maybe you're right and I need to do it in body and put a complete selector in the other side. Or maybe, oh yeah, actually the code, you know what, it's, yeah, this my div worries me because it seems like an ID and this control icons has no ID. It's a div that has no ID. The only ID is the whole leeches page. So I could, let's go back to the browser. Yeah, this has no ID and nothing has ID, up until this. So I can detect changes on this, but I'm guessing like any tick by the clock will change the DOM somehow, some value or something. So to do that, I better do a timer. Hey, thanks person one, thanks for the time. No problem. No need. Sorry, I'm sorry that I'm not playing a lot. So I guess this is not going to work with a class selector. Let me try to see if there's a proper documentation. I don't really need to use jQuery, by the way. Yeah, but this detects the whole body. The whole body. No good. No good. Yeah, maybe if I do the selection, I wouldn't need jQuery on event Actually, the on handlers is on, name of the event, and then the callback, right? Not sure why is that. Okay, I can try. I think I'll do it. If I try it, it's gonna be faster. So this is name of the event and callback. There's no intermediate parameter, I think. Oh yes, it is selector. But it, on event selector. Data. Okay, then it's probably okay. How I wrote it is probably okay. It's my turn. It's my turn. It's my turn. How to program? If it's a selector, it should work. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm thinking. And then Lichess, jQuery knows if the next one is a function, it will take it as the callback, not the data. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so this might work. Just to be sure, I'm gonna do a console log in the first place. Something changed. And then I'm gonna hide. Just any change. Yeah, this could be it. Okay, let's go back to the out extensions, remove. It's my turn again. Okay. Rawr. This is not gonna work because he's gonna take a lot of pieces, or what? No, I can take this way. Okay, resign button is here. I'm gonna install the new version. Okay, I only use Yahoo Answers for research. Okay, I'm gonna refresh now the web page, reload. It would be nice to fix it this way because I have like 5 minutes left. Okay, in the first place there's no resign button. I'm gonna put the console here, so that let's clear it. And now I click propose a takeback. Something changed. Okay, cancel takeback. Yes! Yes! Takeback works. And everything should work. And it gets hidden again. Okay, perfect, perfect. So, let's pack it, install it and everything. First, I'm gonna remove the console log, hide, and whenever that changes, hide. Okay, perfect. Actually, I'm gonna amend the previous commit if I type it correctly, because it said hide resign button instead of removing it. Okay. Now I publish it, origin master. No, wait. Remove the zip and zip again. Ah, there you go. Now the zip changed. Okay. Now I do the commit amend, and now I do the push to the repository. This is how you win over WCC viewers. Yeah, exactly. Okay, and we're done here in the terminal. Let's go back to the browser. Now I need to finish the game. Now I need to remove this extension and couple of things. No, couple of things. No. Where is the Chrome developers manager, developer dashboard? Here it is. Okay. Yeah, it was over yesterday, right? The Chinese man won. Okay, hopefully my password is not shown. Okay. Person one still thinking. There you go. Joanna fights. Publish. Probably I have to click, right? Click here. Hey, Joanna. Hello. How do I did this the other day. I can't remember. How do I upload a new version? It's not here. It's not here. Go back. My turn. Pin. Win it by pin it and win it. How is it? More info. Start, check progress. Publish stats. Edit. Edit maybe. Yeah, let's go to edit. It's going fine, Joanna. I created a new version of this extension that works better. Upload updated package. There you go. This is what I need to do. Choose file. So we basically fixed a bug. So it's not a big change. Well, it's a big change for the people who were complaining. But the funny change is going to happen in the next session, not today. And upload. I'm still waiting for the opponent. Person one. Oh, already moved. Okay. Here. And version 1.2. Nice. Nice. No, I don't have it installed, I think. Wait, I don't have resign buttons. I have the local version. Give me a second. I need to remove the local version now. What about your queen? The rook is pinned, Joanna. The rook is pinned. I'm clever. I'm so clever. Okay, let's go to extensions. Extensions. Where are the extensions? Here? No. Chrome preferences. The music is over for some reason. So clever, yeah. I'm the best. No gracias. There you go. Preferences. So guys, in 5-10 minutes tops, I need to leave. So, game over! Wow! Thanks for the game. You resigned too early. Sorry that I didn't publish the extension in time so that you wouldn't resign. Extensions. Okay, maybe I have time for another game. If you want. Okay, no, I don't have it installed. What's going on? What's wrong with me? I don't have the extension.
¿Está usted aburrido? ¿Cansado de la rutina? No sea monótono y deje de hacer.
Pepe doxing his email. You all know my email.
Really don't mind if you skip this one.
Okay.
My words are the whisper, your deafness.
I'm gonna install the new version. Oh! So when I open Discord in the mobile, YouTube stops working. Nice. Add to Chrome.
I may make you feel, but I can't make you think. Your sperm's in the gutter, your love's in the sink.
Okay, okay, it's
So
installed.
you ride sails over the fields, and you make all your animals
Yes.
deals,
Okay,
and you
let's try it. Let's play a final game. Beautiful extension, yeah. But
thick brick.
I want to do what I told you before.
And the sandcastle virtues are all swept away in the tidal destruction.
But that will be next day because I have to teach a lesson now. I have time for one more game. Let's play 2 minutes game. 2 minutes game is okay.
As the last wave uncovers the newfangled way. But you need shoes to warm at the heat, and your suntan is rapidly
Oh,
and your wise men don't know.
didn't realize the game started. Okay, no resign button. Should I troll my opponent and...
As a brick,
Whoop. Sorry, suddenly this opened.
and the love that I feel is so far away. I'm a bad dream that I just and you shake your head. You said it's a shame. Spin me back down the years and the days of my youth. Draw the lace and black curtains and shut out the whole truth. Spin me down long ages and then sing the song.
No increments, no good.